Oh, oh, the travesty. We got this bird caught in here, and I've been saving it from my dog. So anyway, it's okay, buddy. Hold down. Slow down. We're gonna get you out of here. You'll be fine. Don't break nothing. All right. Hold on, little buddy. Here I come. Got my trusty dusty net. Unfortunately, got a hole in the back, so let's see what happens. Come on. Fall down. There you go. Come on. Oh. Right there. Okay. Back away from the window. A little bit more. Come on, one more flight thing. Come on. Up, up, up. Gotcha. Okay, gotta go outside. Oh, you got out the hole in the bottom. Back to the other side. Come on, out. Out of there. Come on. You're gonna make me come up there. There's his little booty. Alright, here I go. Oh, there you are. Okay, I got you. Hold on. You're gonna live through this, I promise. You're gonna be fine. See? You're gonna live. Yeah. I'm gonna lock myself in here. It's okay.